Introducing the ultimate family SUV, the 2020 Volkswagen TIGUAN ALLSPACE 2.0TDI 150BHP HIGHLINE with Technology Pack. With sleek black exterior, powerful 2-litre diesel engine, manual transmission and a spacious estate body style, this vehicle is perfect for all your adventures. Packed with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can trust that you and your family are always protected. Plus, with luxurious interior trim, privacy glass and smart card entry, you'll ride in style. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.